In this video, we are going to see how we can enter a new purchase invoice in Teleprime with a new vendor as well. As you can see here in this transaction on 9th of January, purchase following items from Mr. Matthew, which is a new vendor, and the items are same. We are dealing with the car parts business, so we are purchasing some of the items for our business. So I'll just go back and show you from the starting. From the gateway of Tele, we need to click on the vouchers from the transactions area. Once we click on the vouchers, we are in the purchase area or purchase voucher by default. But if not, and we are on some other area, you can switch between all the other vouchers as well. So here we have purchase voucher. We also have the short key mentioned right here in blue. So some keyboards need the combination of function key and the other ones will operate directly. So click here and I'll keep the 31st January date. Why? Because the trial version only offers 1st, 2nd and 31st each month. Let's mention any invoice number because we don't have the invoice number mentioned here. Due date is the same. Party account. Since this is a new vendor, we need to create one party account. Alternate C. And the party account name is Matthew. And this comes under sundry creditors. If you have already not changed the name, you will find sundry creditors here, but we have already changed the name to accounts payable. So I'll choose that. Maintain bill by bill balances. Yes, that's very important. Check for credit days during voucher entry. We can consider this, but since this is a simple project, I'll just skip this part and press Ctrl A. Again, the receipt details and all, you can mention all the advanced information here. Ctrl A and Ctrl A again. And now the party account name is saved and the purchase ledger already created. So I'll choose purchases. But if you haven't created it, just for the reminder, you can press Alt C and then right here purchases, right here under purchase accounts, and that's it. Ctrl A. And you're back on the screen. Now let's start entering the items. First item is Corolla windscreen. The quantity for this is 50. Rate is 400. This makes the total to 20,000. So that's good. Press enter. On the second line, we have the Civic headlights. The quantity is 30. Rate is 150. 30, 150. This makes the total to 4,500. And the last one we have is Prius filters. The quantity is 100, rate is 50. This makes the total to 5,000. So all set. Just confirm the amounts once before entering it finally. Press Ctrl A and you can also enter the narration right here if you want to. So I'll just copy and paste this one and press Ctrl A to finally save it. So this is how you can enter the purchase invoices in Teleprime against the new vendor. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.